轮毂品牌故事 JWHEEL Brand Story Behind the Wheels. The brand story of JWHEEL adds depth and personality to the product. Learning about the passion and dedication behind the brand can make you more likely to choose JWHEEL wheels. For a Toyota Highlander or a Honda Pilot owner, understanding the brand story can create an emotional connection. In the car modification industry, brand stories can set a brand apart. JWHEEL's brand story is one of innovation, quality, and a passion for cars. The founders of JWHEEL started the company with a vision to create high-quality alloy wheels that would enhance the look and performance of vehicles. Over the years, the brand has grown and evolved, but its commitment to excellence remains unchanged. By sharing its brand story, JWHEEL connects with customers on a deeper level and builds loyalty. Keywords: JWHEEL brand story, alloy wheels passion, Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, car modifications.